All right, you guys, we are back, and here is the results after a probably 25-minute wipe down with the new Swift Wipe waterless car wash system from Chemical Guys. The car is insanely glossy. I have to be honest, you guys, I have all of their stuff. All of it. Glazes, waxes, sealants, ceramic stuff, ceramic waxes, you name it. I have it all. And I have never seen any product that gives the car, this type of gloss. This is fucking insane, dude. Look at this. This is $9.87 a bottle. And look how glossy the car looks. That's insane. Check out the roof of the car. Reflection of the light. Let's back up. You can see the artwork. I put it on the wing as well. Or that trunk, excuse me. Super glossy. I actually even put some at the bottom of the wing. Very good results. I'm actually going to turn on the lights a little bit more, you guys. Get a kind of a view from the side. Got the roof, nice and glossy. I'm even going to open the garage here in a second. Look at the passenger side. Let's come further close here. Nice and glossy. Sorry about the foot noise, you guys. I'm wearing my shoes in the garage. We're in Arizona. And there's scorpions. Check that out. $9.87. I cannot believe this stuff is $10 a bottle. And I will admit though, you guys, $10 a bottle, it's minimal, okay? Like I was saying, I mean, to avoid scratching as much as possible, or what they refer to as, love marks or marring. Yeah, I mean, look, here was a brand new bottle when I picked it up. And we went through the entire product, or the entire bottle. So, I mean, literally, I was squeezing out the last bit of whatever the hell was left in there. So, I mean, for $10, which is usually what you call, what you're going to pay for a decent car wash, but your car's not going to look like this after a car wash. This looks like it's been washed, waxed, or polished and then waxed. It looks insane. Honestly, I'm tripping out, you guys. I have to say, honestly, I am absolutely amazed with this product. Look how glossy the car looks. I don't know exactly how to translate this. I'm hoping this is coming out in the video, man, but it is so glossy. It literally looks, I know it's cliche, but it looks wet. Look at that. That's insane, man. And this is waterless, so you don't have to waste your time. You don't have to waste your water. Absolutely cool product, man. I'm actually, to be honest with you guys, I'm gonna go upstairs, chill out for a minute, and I'm gonna take the kids and I'm gonna go to the detail garage. I'm gonna buy a gallon of this stuff because I cannot believe the price and the effect. Honestly, even if the stuff was $30, $50 a gallon, okay, like some of the other sealants and sprays, this is still worth it. And I think it's probably $30 a gallon or something like that. I'm gonna actually definitely look it up, but it is so good. I don't even want to wait for it to come from Amazon. I'm actually just gonna order it from Amazon and then go down to the detail garage and pick up some of my own right now, or just sooner. That's insane, dude. Look at that, man. Look at the gloss, it's insane. Absolutely. Right, guys, we're opening up the garage right now. I want to give you guys a more realistic view in direct light, but it actually looks better, man. It looks better in this direct light. Let's get up close, let you guys take a look for yourself. I am really impressed. No joke, you guys, honestly, I'm gonna go grab some of this stuff some more right now. Like I was saying in the beginning of the video, you guys, this is representing the phrase "better living through chemistry." Work smarter, not harder, right? Let the product do the work for you. This is fucking insane, dude. Look at this. Look at the light reflection. Very impressive. Very impressive. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you can catch the next video coming soon, most likely. I'm always working on content for you guys as much as possible. But yeah, I hope you guys find that this is a useful video. Maybe something that maybe steer you guys in a different direction. Less elbow grease and more effect. You guys take care. I'll catch you on the next one.